Mana lo, jamunya lo.打哩。Chà ló là, muốn lo một muốn chà ló là. I took that kicked out from the top. 有情况有要好嘞。有有想吃，而且那个杯 ，Happy New Year's to everybody in our community and our leaders. It is my honor to be here with you, also to introduce, give some introduction as well as helping translating some of our dignitarian speech. Before we go on with this morning, we would like to recognize our leader, our elected official and distinguished guests that are able to be with us today and this morning. As I read the following guests and distinguished elected official, you may please be seated until I finish the list, and then we will give you a nice warm of applause. The following people are the people that we recognize for your honor in joining us this morning. Honorable Judge Tai Veng, Honorable Judge April Wood, her spouse Attorney Jeffrey Berg, Dale Falwell, State Treasurer of North Carolina, Major General Mo Hua and spouse, Tim Kong, President of the Hmong American National Chair Association and spouse, former HSP President, all the formers, Colonel Zhongzhe Vang from Madison, Wisconsin and spouse, Hmong Georgia Community, President Junye Moa, Florida Hmong Community, President Chu Mong Xiong, Hmong American Association of South Carolina, President Lee Moore, President of 18 Clans, Ya Tseng Ya, also all the leaders from that group. President North Long, Hmong American Association of Oklahoma, and President Sir Kylie Hmong Foundation of Connecticut. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please help me give a warm welcome to this leader? Thank you very much. In addition to this, we also, the Hmong Southeast Sport Fund, also want to recognize the sponsor and their support for this event. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome Madam Mai Vu Lo, President of the Hmong Southeast Sport Fund. Please welcome.
Okay, นักร้องชื่อซอวันที่กูพี่เรากูทายเจอกูตุลองประธานหน่อยยังเยี่ยมชอบว่าเราจะซึ่งเราแบบชอบว่าเที่ยวกูตัวจริงก็ชื่อเฟิงลงที่เรากูจะคณะที่ชี้ยังในยอดนั้นเราจะกูจะคณะจะผู้ director ที่จะ advisor ที่จะ officers ยังในยอดกี่ท่าที่เราจะช่วยที่นั่นที่一家个人要想到的那在是怎样的个，你啊，那就说那就不天也比，我摸弄那里也比摸那些人天，比我到路工作的人高里那里也摸那，也故事个有是到路工作的人里那天哎，他就等他估计看他他估里的路，他就说了。Before we begin, I would like to take a moment of silence to honor our late Leader General Wang Pao. 他被谁来选出为合唱他的普法婆？你比较摸他的普法婆，我被你被谁？我จะ被他上后给จะ被ตัวชาลูติเชื่อแบบนั้นเนาะอย่าชิมว่า他的普法婆จะ被กูชิตัวชาลูติเชื่อเนาะชิตัวโมลูจะเกี่ยวชิมว่าเขาไปช่วยได้ดีเรา我到了对我那我就他我敲着他那份爸爸，其他领导他我敲着被叫我都着，也比我那早些我那等茶了我不早好给，被这样红ที่里头，你这给多着了对吃饭饭喏，他我一老敲着，但他被叫我都着呢。chỉ hay cho ở chỉ nhớ là bây giờ chừng nhớ này không là về我敲着你路接路gì bây giờ giống như lúc gì chỉ ta đi tháo ở châu thiên tháo biết sợ rồi ta do sao bây tôi cũng thấy cho tôi giờ bắt thằng cái này bắt thằng cái này thấy tôi bắt thằng cho bây trên nó người ta cho bây chơi là anh nó bên tôi lúc trước bên cháu nó giờ sau có thằng can năng nếu lúc chia lúc chi còn để tao ba bên trên hàng không tao lâu lúc chiều để我chơi cho có thằng can năng để đi chơi rồi tao ở chỗ one of our leader this year marked HSP's 30th year celebration of Hmong New Year. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our former president of HSP. Without all of your support and commitment through the year, HSP would not be as beautiful as it is today because of you. You make HSP possible. You are the dream, and you make a dream come true for all the Hmong, Southeast Spokane, and all the other joint states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. We are a strong leader. We are a strong organization. We are a strong community because of great leaders like you. And thank you to all our former president of HSP. Will you please give a round of applause to all the former president of HSP? 他被叫ผู้ประธานจันชูยอยังมีวันนี้ไปลูกของเขาห้องซอยสปอร์ตเพลงที่ลีลอดล้อที่หลอดสรุปในน้องนอ 你有一脚不，他叫我路些都是容，路些老些的，因为我那早给路，他被军人蒙，被都天里我路更好呢，哎，我这位叫中的路见军人了，我超着你些的，你叫。
情感装设计。